Foals usually don't get vaccinated until they're about 6 months of age. That's when we start giving them that primary series, and then once they are about a year old, they can go on to that sort of annual vaccination cycle. However, if the foal is born to a mare that was not properly vaccinated before or during pregnancy, then we tend to recommend foals get vaccinated a little bit earlier because they don't have the antibodies from their mare's colostrum to help protect them in those first few months of life. In foals, we give boosters more often, and it's really important that foals get their boosters on schedule because when they're very young, as I've said, they're protected by the antibodies from their mare's colostrum, and what we do with their booster series is we're trying to overlap their immunity with the immunity they had from the mare. And it's a little bit different for every foal, so we give them several vaccines to make sure we catch every foal at the right time to keep them well protected. So it's very important that foals get several boosters according to the label of the vaccine that you're working with.